The Peloton bike, a magical piece of machinery that lets you spin away without ever leaving your home. But there's always the pesky problem of an uncomfortable seat. Fear not, intrepid rider. Adjusting the seat height is simpler than you think. The pain of a seat that's too high or too low is all too familiar. A little Goldilocks dilemma. If you're feeling pain in your knees or hips, chances are the seat isn't where it needs to be. Our goal is to make those long rides borderline euphoric, not a game of torture. First, position yourself beside your bike. You'll want to find the adjustment lever located beneath the seat. By this point, most people realize they've overlooked this tiny yet powerful tool. Trust me, this lever is your best friend. Once you've located the lever, pull it outwards to release the seat. Make sure you hold on to the seat as it could drop or slide unexpectedly. The thought of a sudden drop is as hilarious as it is unnerving, but definitely not something you want happening with your prized bike. Now, here's where the science comes in. You want to adjust the seat so it's parallel with your hip bone. This aligns your body in a way that maximizes efficiency and minimizes discomfort. Think of it as the seat whispering secrets to your legs. Slide the seat up or down to the desired position. And once you have it aligned with your hips, press the lever back into place. And if you can't recall the last time your seat was adjusted, know that many overlook this critical step. You'll thank me later. Before hopping on, give the seat a good shake. Should feel sturdy, not wobbly. A wobbly seat can be the source of many unneeded frustrations. Nobody wants to feel like they're aboard a bicycle of horrors mid-ride. Pro tip, mark your seat post with a piece of tape or marker. This ensures you never have to, second guess your preferred height again. It's like breadcrumbs for seat adjustments. The next time you got to move the bike, it'll save you oodles of time. Once you're sure everything is secure, hop on the bike and pedal a few rotations. You should feel comfortable and powerful. If your knees lock straight at the lowest point, the seat might still be too high. Time to adjust again. On the flip side, if your knees are too bent, lower the seat a notch. Aim for a slight bend in the knee when the pedal is at the furthest point. It's the perfect balance between grace and force. It might seem trivial, but trust me, your knees will sing praises. If you share the bike with others, make peace with the fact that adjustments might become a frequent task. Remember the tape trick. Here's where it shines. Share this tip with all users and save each other some seat height agony. So take a deep breath and relish your newfound comfort. With the perfect seat setting, your ride transforms from a chore into an exhilarating experience. And our big measure, Portland summer rides, here I come. If you happen to see someone grinning on their Peloton screen, and that's it.
Adjusting your Peloton seat height may not be rocket science, but it's definitely an art.
And, what's the biggest person can be more to read into that 470s than the 470s. Here's to comfortable rides and happy knees. Keep spinning, my friends.